Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a few essentials before we proceed. Same Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth enabled, and current iOS. Start by opening Settings, check Software Update, and install any update. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh connections, then open Control Center to locate screen mirroring. Make sure the AirPlay target is awake and not sleeping. These initial checks clear common blocks and let you move straight into a controlled reconnection sequence without guessing. Now you reconnect and handle authentication. Open Control Center, tap screen mirroring, and pick your receiver. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV or speaker, type it on your iPad. This confirms the session and prevents interference. Once connected, stop any competing apps. Close YouTube, Netflix, or music apps to free the audio/video pipeline. If you see lag, pause playback for a few seconds and resume. That flushes buffers and stabilizes streaming, which is why closing extras matter. Finish by choosing the right AirPlay mode. Select device settings to mirror display or send audio only, and match frame rate when available for smoother video. If you still get stutter, restart your router or switch to a 5 GHz band to reduce congestion. That improves throughput and lowers latency. If all else fails, reset network settings on the iPad. This clears caches and renews DHCP leases. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password, because you will need to rejoin networks afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.